Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Can't kill my vibe, kill the mood. I'm on a lure by my side. Nobody can change my prophecy. I like the way I'm feeling now.
It all began like this.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. As usual, I am that African skincare Gertrude Darko, and today I am all dressed up. I am currently in school and it is 8:02 a.m. In about 28 minutes we'll be leaving. Today we are going skiing with our class and we are going to Landgraaf Snowworld. To be honest, I've never skied in my life before. This is my first time. And I'm also kind of shocked that out of 13 people in my class, only one has ski experience. And I thought skiing was like a Dutch thing because Dutch people go for winter sports vacation most of the time. And even children as small as 3 and 5 know how to ski already. But all in all, I know it's going to be a fun experience and I cannot wait. I came to do my smuggling things. I'm going to look for the rest of my class and then I know where we are supposed to meet so I don't miss my bus. Yeah, I look crusty because it's early in the morning and I had to come here. I was even here before 8 o'clock, imagine. But anyways, I'm taking you guys along, so stay tuned. So we are about to take lessons. I couldn't show you guys the changing room, the locker room and all that because it was crowded, it was hot and everything was rushed. We were running out of time. But this is where we are going to ski. And yeah, we were going through a little bit of training and warm-ups. Just slipped and fell. It was so slippery, it was hard finding balance. Like, ugh, skiing is just not for me, or should I say I never got the best teacher. So as you can see, I had a hard time standing up, but I don't know how best to explain this. The length of the ski makes it hard to stand up when you fall. I don't know if it makes sense. After I've had enough of the skiing, like I gave up and I decided to find a quiet place to sit down and rest. And I came into the restaurant, so this is like a mini tour of the resort. So in here is like a hotel, a restaurant, or multiple restaurants, and washrooms alike. Back behind me is also like a shop where you can buy ski equipment. Hi, I tried to ski, but skiing is not my thing. And I really tried. I fell like 6 times and I was almost in tears. Imagine me almost about to cry in front of lots of people. I was like, no, I'll not cry. But at least I can check skiing off my bucket list that I have tried it before, but I know it's not my thing. I might probably try it again. And I felt like my ski instructor wasn't even the best. He wasn't helping with my situation. It was made me cry. Can you imagine? I was embarrassed. But anyways, yeah, if I ever try skiing again, I just know definitely to go for older instructors. Just go with the younger instructors. They might be like much more calmer with me. But for now, since I can't ski, I left the ski ground and then came into the lounge with my friends just to chill and to use the Wi-Fi and also watch others ski through the window. And hopefully maybe in the next life, in the next floor, I'll be able to ski. But for now, I can't. And so yeah, as you can see, I'm not wearing any shoes because my shoes is in my friend's locker and she's skiing. So I'm just gonna wait. My disastrous ski experience, and I feel like it's a very nice experience. And I would want everyone to try this as well. So we had lunch, we had like fries and nuggets, and the fries were like so undercooked. Anyways, I couldn't complain. I was getting lunch, and so yeah, we ate lunch and we went back to ski a little bit more. So I found out that earlier I was having difficulty skiing because I had a very small ski boot and a very long ski, and it was also heavy, so I couldn't control it. As a beginner, it was too heavy, so I went in for a second one, much lighter, much more my size. But did it do any good? No, because skiing is just not for me. So I was watching people ski from the window and it was so fun, and I was like, let me go and try my luck again. Let me go skiing for second time. Big mistake. Big mistake. So this time I went to ski with my friend instead of the trainer, and I should have known better.
After a few lucky tries, I felt confident. I felt I had it under control, and so I was taking even bold steps, if you could see from the video. But I forgot I was just a beginner and I've never skied in my life before. Terrible. So what happened was I fell on my shoulder twice, and at that point I had like a blood rush through my head, and so that's why I couldn't stand, if you could see.
That is it for today's vlog. Nothing much. It's a nice experience, and if you ever get a chance to ski, do it. I might try skiing maybe the next time in the Alpines. But before I go, don't forget to be you, do you, live life, enjoy the finest things in life, love God and aim for space, and I will definitely see you on my next vlog. So then, ciao.
And that's all, folks.